Are you tired of dry, lifeless hair? Say hello to your best hair ever. This ultra-rich conditioning hair mask transforms your strands, deeply hydrating, smoothing, and adding breathtaking shine. Let's make it together. Hi there, Shyla here from Simply Earth, and I'm so excited to share this DIY recipe with you. Today, we're making this soft and shiny conditioning hair mask. This is the ultimate treat for your hair. Store-bought conditioners can be filled with harsh chemicals, but this DIY recipe gives you soft, healthy, shiny hair with zero toxins with all the benefits of all natural ingredients. Before we jump in, did you know we make natural DIYs super easy? The Simply Earth recipe box delivers everything you need right to your doorstep. Yep, no more last-minute store runs. Plus, new subscribers get a free big bonus box filled with all the extra must-have supplies. Ready to get started? Find everything you need at simplyearth.com. Most store-bought hair conditioners have artificial fragrances, parabens, and other nasties that can strip your hair of its natural beauty. But when you DIY with Simply Earth, you get a nourishing, toxin-free conditioner that's safe, effective, and infused with the power of pure natural ingredients. Let's turn off all those distractions and get creative with this soft and shiny conditioning hair mask together. From your recipe box, you'll need a half a tablespoon of conditioning emulsifier. This helps condition your hair. You'll need 1 teaspoon of argan oil. This will help moisturize your hair. You'll need 1/4 teaspoon of cetyl alcohol. This helps emulsify the mask. You'll need 1/4 teaspoon of beeswax. This helps to create a protective barrier on your hair, preventing moisture loss and keeping your hair hydrated for longer periods. This is especially useful for dry or damaged hair. You'll need 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, solid. It deeply penetrates the hair shaft, providing intense moisture. It's also really good for your scalp. You'll also need 40 drops of head-soothing essential oil. This helps calm your scalp. From your home, you'll want to use 1/4 cup plus 1 tablespoon of distilled water. Make sure that you're using distilled water for this or your recipe won't last very long. 16 drops of our GeoGuard ECT preservative. This will help make your mask last longer. You'll also want a 4-ounce jar. You can either get one from home or you can go to Simply Earth's website. You'll want your stickers from your recipe box so that you can label your recipe at the end, and some things that you'll want for special tools from home. You're gonna want to use a thermometer so you can make sure that your ingredients are at the right temperature. You'll also want an immersion blender or similar tool so that you can make sure that everything is whipped up properly. Here's how we make the recipe. First, you're gonna prepare an ice bath by filling a large bowl with ice, and you're gonna set this aside. Add the distilled water to a heat-proof glass. In another heat-proof container, add conditioning emulsifier, argan oil, cetyl alcohol, beeswax, and coconut oil. Warm up both mixtures. Heat until the oil mixture is fully melted and both mixtures reach 155 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the immersion blender into the water mixture and start blending. Slowly pour the oil mixture in. Blend for about 1 minute. Be careful not to overmix. Transfer the container to your ice bath and stir as it thickens. Keep stirring until it reaches room temperature. In a small bowl, mix essential oils and preservative. Stir a small amount of the hair mask. Then add in the mixture to the main batch. Stir well. Pour the hair mixture into a small jar and label it. It will continue to thicken over the next 24 hours. Some pro tips: no preservative, store in a fridge, and use within 2 weeks. Bonus hack: this also doubles as a luxurious face cream. Just reduce the essential oils by half for a gentle skin-loving lotion. Don't forget to label it. To use, apply a generous amount to wet or dry hair. Leave on for 1 hour as usual. Enjoy silky, soft, gorgeous hair. Wow, my hair feels like pure silk. This is a total game changer. You can make this soft and shiny conditioning hair mask too. Try this recipe and love it? Take a picture and share it with #IMadeThis and tag From Simply Earth for a chance to win a free $5 gift card and be featured on our socials. For more fun, natural DIYs made super easy, subscribe to the Simply Earth recipe box today. Love this video? Stick around. Check out the awesome DIY recipes popping up in your screen next. Let's get creative. Thanks for watching.